In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to fix the Hostinger SMTP error could not authenticate. If you have been struggling to send emails from your website or application using your Hostinger email account, this guide is going to save you a lot of troubleshooting time. We will walk through the correct configuration settings to ensure your authentication goes through successfully every single time. If this video helps you get your email system up and running, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more technical tips. Let us jump right into the solution. First, you need to log in to your Hostinger hPanel. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the Email section. Click on the dashboard for your domain to access the specific email management tools. From there, locate the email account that is currently triggering the authentication error and click on the Manage button next to it. Once you are inside the management area, look at the left-hand sidebar menu. Scroll down and select the option labeled Connect Apps and Devices. This page is crucial because it displays the exact server details Hostinger requires for third-party connections. You will see a panel for SMTP settings. This is where most users make a mistake. Make sure your host server is set exactly to smtp.hostinger.com. For the port setting, you have two primary options based on your security protocol. If you are using SSL, set your port to 465. If you prefer or are required to use TLS, set your port to 587. One common oversight that causes authentication issues is using the wrong password, so ensure you are using your actual email account password and not your hPanel account password. Once you have double-checked these details, input them into your application or website backend, save your settings, and then perform a test send. If you have followed these steps exactly, your email should now send without that authentication error. If you still have trouble, double-check that your email account is active and that your password has not expired. I hope this walkthrough helped clarify the proper SMTP configuration process. If it did, please hit that like button and subscribe so you do not miss our next technical troubleshooting guide. Thank you for watching and good luck with your email setup.